Welcome to HealingCodeCards.com, and in this video tutorial I'm going to be talking about the Manifestation Enhancer inside the Healing Code Cards Mind deck. Now this is the most unique card out of the 36 cards that are contained in the Mind deck. Now the Manifestation Enhancer works very well with you being able to bring forward a manifestation either through thought or through spoken word, or even if you have your manifestation written down. I know you guys probably can't see it too well, but I'll bring it in to closer view here in a moment. So with the Manifestation Enhancer, one example again is using the direct method. Okay, so if I was to work with the Manifestation Enhancer, I'm working with the staring method. Okay, and I'm saying to the Manifestation Enhancer, I wish to attract a great deal of financial abundance in my life. Okay, while I'm staring at it, I'm creating impressions within my mind about how the manifestation of attracting financial abundance can come to me. Okay, so maybe I'm looking at a bank receipt with a lot of money. Maybe I'm just seeing myself with a briefcase of money. Maybe I'm seeing these new career opportunities that are coming forward. And I may just continue to repeat that to the Manifestation Enhancer. I wish to attract a great deal of financial abundance into my life. I wish to attract a great deal of financial abundance into my life. Okay? So I'm thinking about it. I'm visualizing it. I'm seeing the possibilities that can come. But I'm not sticking with just one idea. I just see myself receiving this financial abundance that I'm envisioning and that I'm intending towards the Manifestation Enhancer for a full minute. Okay? After that full minute, I can just put the card down, face up. Okay? So just like this, face up on your table, face up on your desk, and you just leave it like that. Okay? And now it has that thought form contained inside the Manifestation Enhancer. Okay? When you want to use the Manifestation Enhancer again for another Manifestation Enhancer, you will just come up to it and say, clear away my previous manifestation. Okay, so you're just saying that, and now that manifestation is gone. Okay, then you can go ahead and you can put another manifestation upon the Manifestation Enhancer. Okay, so you're just saying, clear away that previous manifestation, and now a new one can come in. So one of the recommended methods I would use for the Manifestation Enhancer is the capture method. Okay, so what you're doing in this case is you're using a manifestation capture method. So if I have the card here laying down on a table, for example, and now I have my wish that is on top of it, that is printed here on a piece of paper, I just put that on top of the card, and that's it. I just leave this on top of the card. I don't have to stare at it. I don't have to charge it. I don't have to put it on my body. I'm using the capture method for this. Okay, so I'll just put this a little bit closer so you guys can see it, okay? Okay, it says, I wish to attract financial abundance into my life. Really simple, okay? So as I'm writing that, I've already put visualization into that about how that can come about. You know, just, again, getting excited, getting very happy, because that's what you want with a manifestation. You want an emotional link. You want an emotional connection to your manifestation. Most importantly, you want to ensure that you feel you deserve your manifestation. Okay, if you don't feel you deserve it, it's going to be beyond your reach. It's going to be like a mirage in the desert. You're not going to be able to grab hold of it, right? So as you're writing this out on your piece of paper, I wish to attract financial abundance into my life, for example, maybe it's a million other things, whatever it is. But as you're writing it out, you're visualizing it, right? You're seeing how this is coming into your life, and you're getting emotionally linked to this manifestation. So if I'm writing out financial abundance, I'm getting excited. I'm smiling. I'm enjoying this idea. I'm feeling like it's already happened. Okay? So that's the imprint that I'm putting into my wish that I write upon my piece of paper. Because all the Manifestation Enhancer is doing is it's amplifying my manifestation. It's not quote unquote bringing it to me. It's being like again, kind of like one of the amplifier cards, right? It's taking your manifestation because it's specifically designed to work with manifestations, and it amplifies it on a greater degree, okay? So I've put my intention on the piece of paper. I put my wish there. I put my happiness. I put my emotional link directly into it. I know I deserve this, okay? And now I put that down on the card and now it's just resting on my table, just like this. And I can keep it there for as long as I want, okay? Just at least 60 seconds, the 60-second minimum, all right? But after that, for as long as I want. I could keep it on there for 2 days if I wanted to, okay? Then I can take it off. As soon as I take it off, the manifestation is cleared, okay? So that would be my recommended method in using the manifestation enhancer, okay? Is to get a small piece of paper, write down your wish, what your manifestation is. Again, create your emotional link directly to that message. Know that you deserve it, okay? And now you're placing it down on top of the manifestation enhancer. This just goes on your table, your desk, wherever, your shelf, okay? And now it's sitting there, okay, with the wish on top of it. And if you want to clear away that wish, just remove the piece of paper. That's the easiest way to do this with the manifestation enhancer, and that is my recommended way. All right, so that is the manifestation enhancer. That is the most unique card in the Mind deck. So go ahead and work with that, and may all of your manifestations come true. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you again in the next video tutorial.